The powerhouses within. Why understanding muscle fibers matters. Have you ever marveled at the strength of an athlete lifting a heavy weight, the sheer power and determination it takes to hoist such massive loads? Or perhaps you've been captivated by the grace and precision of a dancer performing a complex routine, each movement a testament to control and finesse. These incredible feats of human performance are made possible thanks to the intricate workings of our muscles, a marvel of biological engineering. Understanding how muscle fibers work can unlock the secrets behind our ability to move, maintain posture, and perform a wide range of physical activities. Each muscle fiber is a tiny powerhouse, converting energy into motion. Muscles are essential for life, enabling us to interact with the world around us. From the simple act of walking in a park to the delicate touch of our hands interacting with objects, muscles are at the core of our every action. Whether we are walking, talking, or simply breathing, our muscles are constantly at work. They are the silent engines driving our daily lives, often unnoticed, but always essential. By delving into the fascinating world of muscle fibers, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and elegance of the human body. Each fiber, each contraction is a symphony of biological processes working in harmony. This knowledge not only satisfies our curiosity, but also empowers us to make informed decisions about exercise and overall health. Understanding muscle fibers can help us optimize our workouts, prevent injuries, and improve our overall well-being. So, let's embark on a journey to explore the microscopic world of muscle fibers. Imagine shrinking down to the size of a cell, and witnessing the intricate dance of proteins and molecules that power our movements. By uncovering the secrets behind their remarkable capabilities, we not only marvel at the wonders of our own bodies, but also gain the tools to enhance our physical performance and health. Join us as we delve into this microscopic universe and discover the true power within our muscles. Muscles under the microscope. Unraveling the structure of muscle fibers. To understand how muscles work, we need to zoom in on their basic building blocks, muscle fibers. Imagine a muscle as a thick rope composed of numerous strands. Each of these strands represents a single muscle fiber, a long cylindrical cell that runs the length of the muscle. These fibers are not just simple strands. They are highly organized structures containing bundles of even smaller protein filaments called myofibrils. These myofibrils are the true engines of muscle contraction, and their arrangement within the muscle fiber gives skeletal muscle its characteristic striated appearance. This intricate organization of muscle fibers into bundles within bundles allows for coordinated contractions that generate force and produce movement. It's a testament to the elegance and efficiency of nature's design, where even the smallest components play a crucial role in the overall function of the system. Myofibrils, the engine rooms of muscle contraction. Now let's delve deeper into the world of myofibrils, the true powerhouses of muscle contraction. These tiny structures are the key to understanding how our muscles generate force and movement. These microscopic structures are composed of repeating units called sarcomeres, which are the basic functional units of a muscle fiber. Each sarcomere is a highly organized arrangement of proteins that work together to produce contraction. Imagine a sarcomere as a tiny railroad track running along the length of the myofibril. This track is meticulously designed to facilitate the interaction of key proteins. Within each sarcomere, we find two key proteins responsible for muscle contraction, actin and myosin. These proteins are essential for the sliding mechanism that drives muscle movement. Actin forms the thin filaments, analogous to the rails of our railroad track, providing a stable structure for myosin to interact with, while myosin forms the thick filaments resembling tiny engines that move along the rails. These myosin filaments have heads that attach to the actin filaments and pull them, causing contraction. The interaction between actin and myosin filaments is what drives muscle contraction. This process is highly coordinated and requires energy in the form of ATP. When a muscle receives a signal from the nervous system, these filaments slide past each other, shortening the sarcomeres and in turn, the entire muscle fiber. This shortening generates the force needed for movement. This process, known as the sliding filament theory, is the fundamental mechanism underlying all muscle movements. It explains how muscles contract and relax, enabling us to perform a wide range of activities, from simple tasks like walking to complex actions like playing a musical instrument. Actin and myosin, the dynamic duo of muscle movement. These two proteins are essential for the contraction and relaxation of muscles. playing a crucial role in every movement we make. The interaction between actin and myosin filaments is a remarkable example of molecular teamwork. This intricate dance is fundamental to our ability to move, from the simplest gestures to the most complex athletic feats. Imagine myosin as a tiny rower with oars that can attach to the actin filament. These myosin heads are like miniature engines, driving the contraction process. When a muscle receives the signal to contract, the myosin heads bind to specific sites on the actin filaments, forming cross bridges. This binding is the first step in the contraction cycle. These cross bridges then rotate, pulling the actin filaments towards the center of the sarcomere. This movement is what shortens the muscle, creating the force needed for contraction. This action is analogous to a rower pulling their oars, propelling the boat forward. Just as a rower uses energy to move the boat, myosin heads use energy to pull actin filaments. This coordinated rowing action of numerous myosin heads shortens the sarcomere, leading to muscle contraction. The synchronized effort of these molecular rowers is what allows muscles to contract efficiently. The energy for this process comes from ATP, the body's primary energy currency. Without ATP, the myosin heads would not have the power to bind and pull the actin filaments. Each cycle of cross-bridge formation and rotation requires ATP, highlighting the high energy demands of muscle contraction. This continuous cycle of binding, pulling, and releasing is what keeps our muscles active and functional. The coordinated action of countless actin and myosin molecules working in unison generates the force necessary for muscle movement. This seamless collaboration is what enables us to perform everything from simple daily tasks to complex physical activities.